Hi guys, welcome back. This is my new Festool CXS Driver Drill. On one day in October, the planets of birthday money, payday and the Screwfix 10% voucher all aligned perfectly, which meant I could afford this tool. I bought this as a replacement or backup to my aging DeWalt tools that are starting to fail. Whilst it won't be as powerful as my DeWalt tool, I thought it'd be nice to have a screw gun in the workshop that had a little bit more finesse. The drill is packaged in a Sustainer 2 case, and contained in the case with the drill are two 10.8 volts, 2.6 amp hour batteries. The batteries sit on the bottom of the drill and are easily removed. The charger is quite a strange triangular shape that can be mounted onto the wall. The batteries mount within the charger very easily. The drill has three options of how to fit things into the chuck. Out of the box, the drill is fitted with a Centratec chuck holder along with a Centratec bit. There is also a standard drill bit holder that takes a drill bit up to 10mm. All the chucks have a quick release mechanism. There is also this 90-degree adapter which lets you see, or rather drill, around corners. It is still possible to fit a X bit into either the 90 degrees or the drill body without the Centratec chuck or the standard drill chuck. There are a wide range of bits available within the Centratec range, and the Festool Sustainer likes to tease you that you haven't got these with the images in the lid and the empty moulded parts within the case. The Festool Centratec system is slightly different from the profile of the standard XZ, which means all bits will not fit the Centratec chuck. I've had this Axminster bit set for quite a while, and the bit holder is Centratec compliant. Other than the bit that came with the drill and the Axminster version, none of my XZs actually fit the Centratec chuck. They do, however, fit the standard bit holder that's built into the body of the drill. Now, I was aware of this when I bought the drill, but if not, it's certainly a consideration to be made. Of course, all my bits fit the drill head, so I'm no worse off here than I am with my DeWalt tools. So just to make a few trial holes. First of all, I use my Trend countersink bit in the drill chuck, and then change to the Centratec chuck with the supplied bit and smash in a few screws. And all is perfectly fine here. The drill feels really nice and balanced in the hand, it's not too heavy, and it's driving the screws in really well. I drive a few screws and try the clutch on different settings each time to ensure it doesn't drive the screw too deep. Next, I repeat the process but with the 90 degrees adapter. To give the drill a real workout, I next swap the drill bit for a 20mm Forstner bit and try to drill some holes in a piece of scrap. But it wasn't as successful as I hoped it may be. Forstner bit kept stalling, and then I realised I've not charged the batteries up yet. Everything you've seen up to now is with the battery as it comes in the box. So I went and found something else to do for 45 minutes. And 45 minutes later, when I'd saved the world, the battery was ready to use. And thankfully, once it was charged, I had no more problems with drilling my 20mm hole. Now, this drill might not be to everyone's taste, and there is certainly a lot of competition by the other brands aimed at this point of the market. I'm keen to know your thoughts. Thank you for watching, see you next time.